What if you could get millions of views on YouTube simply by putting a camera on an animal and sending it into a tunnel, creating a wild animal POV adventure that viewers can't stop watching? Sounds like something that would require expensive cameras, real animals, and complicated editing, right? But what if I told you that none of that is actually needed? The truth is, you can create the exact same viral animal POV videos using completely free AI tools in just a few minutes. And the results people are getting right now are absolutely insane. One small channel uploaded only 5 videos and already gained around 8,000 subscribers, with a single video reaching 13 million views. Another simple AI-generated animal POV video exploded to 39 million views, and a brand new channel uploaded its first video just a week ago, and it already has over 32 million views. These numbers prove that this content style is blowing up right now. So the real question is, how are these creators making these videos so quickly? And how can you start doing the same before the trend gets saturated? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to create these viral animal POV videos using completely free AI tools. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to make the same kind of content that's pulling in millions of views online. To start creating an animal POV video, the first thing you need is a prompt that will generate your video idea. You can find the prompt link in the description below the video. Once you open it, simply copy the entire prompt and then go to ChatGPT. The good thing is that this is a ready-made prompt, so you don't have to write or think of anything yourself. Just paste the prompt directly into ChatGPT and click the Generate button. After that, ChatGPT will automatically create multiple video topic ideas for you. These ideas will include different animal options that you can use for your POV-style video. From the list that ChatGPT generates, you can simply choose any animal. After ChatGPT generates the list of animal ideas, choose the animal you want to use for your video and copy the name of that animal. Then paste the animal's name into the prompt box in ChatGPT and click the Generate button. Once you do this, ChatGPT will start generating prompts for you in different formats. The first prompt will be for creating an image, while the next 5 prompts will be for video scenes. These prompts will act as the foundation for your content because they will guide the creation of both images and video clips. By using these prompts, you can easily generate visuals that match the animal's point of view as it moves through different environments. To begin creating the video, the first step is to generate the image. Start by copying the image prompt from ChatGPT. Once you have copied the prompt, go to any AI image generation website. In this example, we will use Pipit.ai because it produces very high-quality results. You can find the link to this website in the description below the video. After opening the website, click on the image option and paste the prompt you copied earlier into the prompt box. Then select any model you prefer and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. So the image fits a vertical video format. After that, click on the Generate button and the platform will start creating your image. You will need to wait a few moments while the AI processes the prompt. Once the generation is complete, your high-quality image will appear on the screen. At this point, click the Download button, choose the PNG format, and in the watermark section, select Remove Watermark. Finally, download the image to your device so you can use it in the next steps of creating your animal POV video. The next step is to turn the image into a full video. For this, you will use a free AI tool that converts images into videos. One of the best options is Flow AI website. First, go to the Flow AI website. Once you open it, click on Create with Flow and then select New Project. After that, click on the plus icon and choose the Upload option to upload the image that you downloaded earlier. When you upload the image, wait a few moments while it finishes uploading. After the image appears in the project, click on the Settings option and select Video as the format. Then choose the aspect ratio 9:16 so the video is optimized for vertical viewing, and select the model you want to use for video generation. Next, you will need to add the motion prompt that tells the AI how the scene should move. To do this, go back to ChatGPT where your prompts were generated and copy the second prompt, which is the video motion prompt. After copying it, return to Flow AI and paste that prompt into the prompt box. Finally, click on the Generate button. The AI will now start processing the request and convert your image into a moving video scene, creating the first part of your animal POV video. Once your video is generated, click on it and play the video to preview the result. Watch it carefully to see if the movement and quality look good. If the video doesn't look right, you can adjust or regenerate it until you get a better result. If the video looks good, the next step is to create the next scene of your animal POV video. To do this, look below the prompt box in Flow AI and click on the Expand button. After clicking it, go back to ChatGPT and copy the third motion prompt that was generated earlier. Once you copy it, return to Flow AI and paste it into the prompt box, making sure the Expand option is enabled so the next scene continues smoothly from the previous one. Then click the Generate button again. Flow AI will start processing the prompt and create the next part of the video scene. Wait a few moments while it generates the clip. Once it is ready, play the video to check the result, and you will see that the next scene of your animal POV video has been successfully created. To create the next scene of your video, you first need to use the last frame of the previous clip as a starting point. Begin by playing the video you just generated and pause it on the final frame. Then take a screenshot of that last frame using any screenshot tool or browser extension. After capturing the screenshot, save the image to your device. This image will be used as the base for generating the next part of the video, so the scene continues smoothly. Once the screenshot is saved, click the arrow button at the top to return to the main interface of Flow AI. From there, click on the plus icon and upload the screenshot you just saved. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the next motion prompt that was generated earlier. Then return to Flow AI and paste that prompt into the prompt box. Make sure the screenshot image you uploaded is selected as the source image. Finally, click the Generate button. Flow AI will start processing the request and convert the screenshot into the next video scene, continuing the next part of your animal POV video. After your next video clip is generated, play the video and pause it at the last frame. Then take a screenshot of that final frame and save it to your device. This screenshot will again be used as the base image for creating the following scene, so that the video continues smoothly. Once the screenshot is saved, go back to Flow AI and upload that image. After uploading it, return to ChatGPT, copy the next motion prompt, and paste that prompt into the Flow AI prompt box. Then click Generate, and the AI will create the next part of your video. You will need to repeat the same process for each prompt. First, generate the video scene, then play it and take a screenshot of the last frame, upload that screenshot again, and paste the next motion prompt from ChatGPT. By continuing this step-by-step process for all the prompts, you will gradually generate every scene needed for your complete animal POV video. Once all the scenes are created, you will have a full sequence of clips ready to use in your final video. After generating all the video scenes, the next step is to download each clip. Simply click on the download button for every video you created and save them one by one in high quality to your device. Make sure all the clips are downloaded properly because you will use them in the final editing stage. Once all the clips are saved, the next step is video editing. For this, we will use CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Then click on the Import button and upload all the video clips you downloaded. After importing them, drag the clips one by one onto the timeline. Arrange them in the correct order, so the video flows smoothly. Place the first clip at the beginning, followed by the second, third, and remaining clips in sequence, so the story of the animal POV continues naturally. Once the clips are arranged properly, you can improve the video by adding text, facts, or captions if you want to make the content more engaging. When everything looks good and the video is complete, click on the Export button to render your final video. After exporting, you will have your finished animal POV video ready to upload or share.